Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm reviewing this casein protein from Gold Standard Optimum Nutrition. Just gonna make a quick shake and show you how it's dissolving and if it's really good tasting. Okay guys, so I just threw a scoop there and let's see the shake how it is. Okay guys, so as you can see, has 24 grams of protein for slow digestive protein, 10 grams of BCAA, zinc and magnesium. The moment of truth, let's taste it out. Tastes really good, guys. Definitely a good option to take some protein at night when you want to go to sleep. So have that in consideration at night or during the day as as a second meal, snack, or whatever you want to take it. This Gold Standard casein is a very good option.